So guys, I want to be doing a deep top-down analysis on Euro JBY. So we're going to be analyzing the chart together. I'll tell you what I think about the price direction, where price is going to head to. We're going to learn a lot about top-down analysis and analyzing the chart. Let's analyze the chart together so you can also learn from this and apply it to your trading. If you want to learn more about forex trading, you can get my trading course or you can join my Telegram channel. I send you trading signals for free to trade the forex market. I also have VIP signal. If you want to get more of signals from me, you join my VIP. We trade along right in that channel. Right here, guys, this is Euro JBY, Euro Japanese Yen. So you can take a look at the chart. So we are currently on the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at the chart currently, how the market condition is. So through the analysis, you have to look deep inside of the market. You have to analyze from long time of the market, like maybe a day ago or 2 to 3 days, a week ago. When doing your total analysis, you scale down from either the higher time frame to the lower time frame, or the lower time frame to the higher time frame to get a deep insight about the market and direction of price, where price is going to head to. So right here, this is Euro GBY, and if you take a look at the chart. So right here, first we had a market strive down with a downtrend, boom. You can see that market strive down with a downtrend. You can see price formed currently like a support, first support. You can see support, price didn't break. You can see price went up, uptrending, came back down, downtrending. You see that went up again, uptrending. We now got to this order block which you see right here. This order block, price didn't break this order block. First of all, price didn't break. Then price now went down with a long red candlestick, boom, that went down. The market now immediately reversed to the upside. Now price got to almost this order block zone. You can see that price got to this zone, boom. For price then come back down again to this place to breathe a little bit, which is seen right here. Price then came to breathe a little bit at this point. Then price went up with this long bullish candlestick. Price went up with this long bullish candlestick. See that? And at this point, as price went up, price then started consolidating. So price started consolidating. So you can see that we scale down from like 3 days or a week ago market chart. Now we scale down to the present. You can see that that's how you can do. That's how to do your top-down analysis. So right now we're currently on this particular Euro JBY pair. So I'm looking to place a trade, and what I'm kind of looking like, I think this market condition is kind of looking like a sell. But if you look at the chart, you can see that the market was consolidating. First, we have a swing highs, swing lows, swing highs, swing lows, which is the resistance and support. Right here, you can see that market formed resistance, support. You can see that. Then at this point, market start. Each time the market head down, it formed multiple weakness to head down. It went up again. Formed multiple weakness to head down. It went up again, just like that. So guys, let's scale down to the 1 hour time frame, the lower time frame. So right now, you can see the market was doing the same thing. We're having the same confirmation. You see that price was doing exactly the same thing. So like I said, I'm expecting price to either head down to this point, then reverse. Expecting price to at least head down to this zone, then maybe reverse to the upside, reverse and start heading to the upside, or maybe break this zone and head more to the downside. So this is what I'm expecting the market to do at this point. That break this zone and head to this point, So this is what I'm expecting price. I'm expecting price at this point to first of all get to the zone and maybe break. Now maybe heads up and start uptrending, or maybe break the zone and head to the support zone. So this is what I'm expecting price to do. So guys, this is all for this video. This is how you can perform top-down analysis by using multiple time frames to confirm your entry. So thank you for watching guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell to be notified each time I post a video. See you on another video. Peace out.